Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for the Potomac Beads May 2024 bead box. If you're not familiar with them, this is the treasure box. This is a subscription box, monthly subscription box. There's 10 to 20 different packs of stash beads in each one. The stash beads may include a new collection each month, same products in multiple colorways, and then they also, on their YouTube channel, they have 2 to 3 inspirational videos provided for each box. There's premium stash beads like crystals, Czech glass, pearls, premium metals, seed beads, etc. It is a beginner-friendly box, so if you're new to beading, you can definitely work with this. And past boxes will become available a la carte after several months. And the price for this monthly is $39.99. If you price it quarterly, it's $34.99, so you save $60 a year. And if you price it annually, it's $29.99, so you save $120 a year. And I have been so happy. I've been working with them for a little over a year now. I think a year and a half now, or a year and about 16 months. But it's flown by, and I have loved every box. Every box is unique in its own way. So let's see what they sent to us. Okay. This is called Whispers of Antiquity. Treasure box. Step into the realm of timeless elegance and vintage charm with this month's treasure box. Each bead embodies the artistry and charisma of the past. Pale, soft color accents, smoky gray and black, like a colored tintype. Blue and pink evoke timeless grace, while mauve, I can never say that word, while mauve whispers refinement. Crystal AB enchants with its shimmer leading to the ethereal glow of white iris. Black diamond and jet add mystery, while silver brings sophistication. Let your imagination soar as you craft modern jewelry steeped in the essence of the past. And then this is what we have here. And let's see. Oh, the Patomic Pearls, baby pink. Oh, these are fun looking. Iris Duo Beads Ancient Gold. And lever backs. Oh, we can never have too many of these. The 5-piece bead trays. Love these. Oh, look at these. They have 3 holes in each one. Okay, let me get this all set up and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're going to start with the Muki 80 seed beads. Oh, put a little few in here. These are pretty. I love the color on these. They're root beer lined light topaz. These are really pretty. Make lots of beautiful goodies with these. Okay, I'm going to put these. Probably shouldn't have totally opened them, but now let's try and put this in here. And ta-da! Okay, and next are the Potomac Pearls Baby Pink 6mm, a 16-inch strand. These have some weight to them. Oh, these are beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Potomac pearls are always so pretty. Wow. those. How pretty they are. Gorgeous. Okay, and next, let me get get a couple of these, just so I have these. And next are Czech chili beads. These are different. They're cool though. They have, if you can see them, they have, let me see, I'm gonna put, so they have a hole there. And a hole there. So there's two holes. So you could put something in between them and do something kind of cool with them. Put beads in there. You see there's two holes and they're kind of at the top. They're a different bead. But that's what makes them fun, is you can design things with them. And next is the Czech glass bicone beads jet 6mm pack. I'm just going to take a few of them out. Oh, these are pretty. Let's put some on. Maybe put some on here. So you can kind of see them. These are really pretty. Potomac beads, their beads are such great quality. Extra Czech pressed beads mauve, English cut beads, it's saying. I think that's what these are. Oh, these are pretty. Look at these. So pretty. There's 7 in here. And next are the microfaceted seamless mirror beads, 8mm silver plated. These are always fun. I call these disco balls. And they're nice because they're lightweight. So if you want to use these towards like earrings and stuff, they're great because they look like they're, you know, would be heavy, but they're not. They're very lightweight. So these were great for earrings. And I love the way they're faceted. They're so sparkly. They remind me of like the disco ball from Saturday Night Fever, the movie. And next is Potomac Crystal Chatons Black Diamond. Oh, these are pretty. So here's the back. And then here is the front. Look at that, look how pretty that is. These should be bezeled into something. These are beautiful. Okay. And next are the Earwires with crystal settings. This is size 24. Oh. So they have, I'm showing you from the sides, so they have the prongs, so you could put something in there and set that like that. I'm sure you could do that with the black diamond. These are really pretty. There's 4 of them. And next are the, I'm going to open these up because I know I'm going to be using them in the next 4 minutes. So the bead trays. You can never have enough of these. So They're so great. And I like them too because when you like put beads on the mat, you can just kind of scoop them up like that. And then they have that point so you can, you know, dump it right into whatever you're scooping them up for. So, and then next, Iris Duo Beads Ancient Gold. And there's a couple of holes on these. Now let me see here. So, one, two, three. So there's holes there, and there's holes down here. So here's the front, and there's the back. So if you look at it from the side, it does have that bevel up there. These are so pretty. I love using these to make earrings. So, okay. So we have that. And we have the Brown Trio Beads White Iris, pack of 50, 6mm. These are really cool because these have, let me grab one more. Hold on one second. Okay, so these have 3 holes. 1, 2, and 3. So that is really different. It's a full round bead. So you could use just one hole. You could use the top, the bottom, or you can use all 3. You can use the middle. So there is a lot of room for working with these. And look how pretty they are. That color. Let me get this open. Okay, and next our Czech Daisy Black Diamonds 4x8mm pack. These make really good spacers. I like using them a lot of times as spacers with beads in between. Because it's almost kind of like if you were to have a bead cap, but it's this daisy spacer instead. And with all the grooves on it, it really gives a lot of texture to whatever the jewelry is. Like if you have round smooth beads and then you add these, just adds another layer of interest to your jewelry that you're making. So next is Czech glass Cathedral beads, blue and purple. Cathedral beads are so fun to work with, and they're so gorgeous. So look at these up close. Oh, so pretty. So let me put a couple on. 1, 2. These will be like gone in 5 minutes when I start working with these. Look at that. Look how pretty those are. And they always have that little, like, it's faceted through there, and then they have the little ridges on the ends like that. So pretty. Okay. And next is Czech glass Deco print beads, Deco diamond beads. These are fun. So you got 1, 2, and I'll do the last one too. 3. Look at how fun these are. Now these make a nice pendant or focal point on a piece of jewelry. And next is Czech glass faceted rounds 4mm Rosaline. Okay. I didn't take them all out. Look at these, how pretty these are. Beads are faceted. It's like they have so much more sparkle to them because the way they're cut that makes them faceted. They have so many more like edges and sides than just a regular round bead. See the sparkle? How pretty those are. Oh, gorgeous. I love the color. Oh. One. Okay, where did I do that? Oh, here it is. Oh, I don't want to lose any of those. Okay. And next is, I'm thinking this is the Czech faceted rounds 5mm. And it's pretty. It's got like a hint of like a purplish mauve with like a light, like a sunstone caramel kind of, and then some cream in some of them. And because they're faceted, they have that sparkle the way they're cut. These are gorgeous. And next are Czech faceted rounds 7mm in lilac. Okay. Ooh. Let's put a couple on here. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Look at that sparkle. Lilac. So pretty. All these colors, it's like they're all a little different, but yet they blend together so well. They do a great job picking out their monthly boxes because they have interest and they have a uniqueness to them, but you know they still blend well together. And these are Czech glass faceted rounds 10mm crystal AB. 1, 2, 3. Look how pretty these are. Wow. So these are gorgeous. So they blew it out of the park again. Whispers of Antiquity. This is the treasure box for May of 2024 from Patomic Beads. And I will leave a link below if you're interested in checking them out. And I will also leave a link to their YouTube channel. Allie is always posting beautiful pieces of jewelry that she's making. And then they also have their Facebook that they post on a lot too. So definitely stay tuned for that. And I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And I will leave my information down below as well, my Etsy, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest links. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. I have lots of great tutorials coming up. And if you know anybody that likes to bead, I would love it if you would share my channel with them as well and give me a thumbs up because it really helps my channel. So until then, I will see you on my next video. Have a great day, and I appreciate each and every one of you.